भारत में आईटी रेवोल्यूशन का जो मुख्य सूत्रधार है, कर्णधार थे, वो श्रेय हमारे चंद्रबाबू गारू को जाता है। यू नो, आवर डियर चंद्रबाबू गारू has brought real IT in two sense. One is of course technology, another is inner transformation. He means IT in two senses, both spiritual and material. If today whatever is in Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, before, he was the one who really made Hyderabad on the world map. I remember in US when Chandrababu Garu was speaking at the ATA conference there few years back, then Bill Clinton was the then president, he was there, and he said, my goal is to bring the best transformation for the youth. And he has done it. Today if you see in America, 60-70% of the IT people, they all speak Telugu. They are from Andhra Pradesh. Just outside Washington, in Maryland, in Virginia, if you go, you find a mini Andhra Pradesh there. So the way the young people were trained in IT, in all the schools, colleges, and not just trained and kept them in Andhra, he spread them around the world, even in America. Whether it is Dallas or in Washington DC, in Virginia, anywhere you go, you will find people speaking Telugu and experts in IT. So all that credit goes to Chandrababu Garu. I say very much willing to bring the beautiful knowledge, ancient knowledge, and the modern science. Jnana Vijnana Triptatma. That's what Bhagavan Krishna said in Gita. You have to have both Jnana and Vijnana. And he is the best example for that. And we wish you all the best and bringing Andhra to another level.